Hello, welcome back to InDesign. We're going to go through some more topics today and let's get started. So here we have my document that you saw in the previous video and we want to apply paragraph styles to it. You notice we've got two different types of style. We've got paragraph styles and character styles. So paragraph styles will apply to the whole paragraph. So essentially it will be anything in both the character and the paragraph menus. So all this stuff, right? And character styles just this stuff over here. A couple more things about control before we begin though. If you hold down two fingers, you're going to go up and down in the document. If you press down control, you actually can go left and right in the document. You hold down alt, you're going to zoom in and out of the document. So a couple of cool little shortcuts there. So you'll see that whenever we go any part of this text, you'll see it says basic paragraph in this box here. So this is the paragraph style. So now if we select, say, this text, and at the moment it's Mini and Pro, we might want to change it to, say, Railway, for instance. We can put that down, and we might want it to be the bold version. And we might want it to be in all caps. Now you'll notice that when I did that, this changed from basic paragraph to basic paragraph plus. So that means there's something more going on with the formatting here. So what we might want to do is a new paragraph style, and this could be the title style. Press enter. So what that means is that now that is a new style, and we can see that if we go into this section here and we go to paragraph styles, pressing F11, or you can go here you go, you can see paragraph styles, and we've got Shift F11 to get into the character styles. Okay, so say we quadruple click here, and we're going to change the font size to 18 points, right? And I will, by the way, work out how we get the not to hyphenate at the end of words like that. I don't like that. But say we click here and we go to paragraph styles. Now what we could do is if we wanted to, it's gone to basic paragraph plus, and it says alt click to clear. So this is like the extra stuff that's on there. So if we just alt click on it, it will remove the formatting changes that we've put there, and it will return it back to basic paragraph. Okay, now say we want these titles here to be a larger size. So what we could do is we could change this now. We'll select this, change it to 16 to 18, right? And you see now it says title plus. So what we might want to do is we might actually just want that to be the new title size. So we press this button here, Redefine Style, it changes all the other stuff which has got the title tag on it to 18. Okay, let's select that actually, and I want to do a new style. I want to change this to 16. So I want to change that to 16. And we can call this headings. Okay, so now if we look in here, you'll see we have normal, we have title, and we have headings. And you can see we can put those, we can change the styles like that. And we can also change the basic paragraph. We could go, we want that to be railway, right? This is going to be railway regular. And if we want each of those sections to be that, so you see it says basic paragraph plus at the moment, we can do another style. This is going to be the body of the text. So we can make this text into, can we type in there? No, you can't type in there. So that'll be body of the text. That can be body. That can be body as well. Okay, so we also want a character style here. So we're going to do railway, we'll do bold here. And that's going to be a new character style, which is going to be like, I guess, subheadings, something like that. So now if we go into, we can go into character styles, you can see we've got subheadings. So we can select armor here and go to the character style of subheadings, and same with mobs, subheadings. Double click the word, subheadings. Okay, so a couple more things as well that we can talk about. There's a few more tools that we haven't even spoken about at all yet. One is this gap tool, which is kind of a cool thing. Go fit page in window. So what the gap tool does is it lets you have to select a frame first, and then you press the gap tool, and it does like a kind of interesting thing. It lets you wrap. It lets you sort of. It's like a bit like a rolling pin or something like that. It lets you wrap the text in like a cool way. Could do adjust layout as well, maybe. I wonder if I could make this into a portrait, into a landscape. Let's try that. See what happens. Okay. Okay, so you can actually do some cool stuff with importing images. So, for instance, say we wanted to import both the witch and the zombie pigman. Press open. You can see it says 2 on the thing. If I press the left and right arrows, I can actually select which image I want to put in. So you could have like 20 different images, and then it would go in there. Now, there's different ways to do it. Like one, similarly to how you put in frames, you can just draw the image in, right? So I could just draw it in here. And you can see it's telling me the scale. So if I wanted it to be 100%, that would be 100%. And then if we select the image, remember, if we can't select here, by the way, you don't want to select there. But if it was like a lot smaller, though, you can see the image is scaling, like it is getting smaller and smaller. But there's a different actually way to put it in. And that's if you use this placeholder thing. So say I only wanted the box to be like this size. And then we go to import image. We'll get the zombie pigman again, right? You can see all clicked open links panel. So we press that. And you see what this will do is it's going to tell me exactly where it's going to tell me some information about the document I've just opened. It'll tell me the location, tell me the scale, and if I then update it, it will tell me if there's any errors in the updates. So at the moment it looks like the status of both these images is good. I've obviously just imported them, right? And now you can see there's basically 2 parts of the image you can select. If I click in the where it's a box like that, you can sort of, I'll then be able to move this image around into a different location. If I click here in the middle though, you can see I actually can move it to the side. So this box here, this sort of brown box, I'm not actually moving the frame now. I'm moving the image within the frame. So you can see now we've got, it's like already, it's sort of out of it. So if I moved it all the way over here, there'd be like nothing left basically. So there's a frame and there's an image, and they're separate things, right? So if we go to properties, you can see, say we change the scale. This is what I was doing before. This is the scale of the image, linked file, right? That's what it says at the top. Change to 50%, it's going to go to that.